ewo emframa mu esi yetimi ka ho asem na abante bia bepie krumu ha Ghana oso okọ akwansra ewo eye amanya hodo beye aduonu so na adunkunu so wo nenam a wo kọ ene odi bepie mu wo Ghana ha na Ghana nso ka amanya obekọ no ho bi eye abrante a ye frɛ no iSHOWSPEED na ne di ankasa eye Darren Jason Watkins Jr. na abante ni bepie ha no raise a lot of controversies when they visit no ho nsensem bebre na manfo eka wo mo a bo abaso other issues bi nso asori on a major platform Mami Lily Mohammed Miami Niaba akoka asem bi no so manfo eka ho asem a na me pese over Facebook Nhyira 104.5 na yiti because sometimes we should separate the facts from the noise. See a separating facts from noise. Na etumi bua mo man impumtu ekoso. Atensem bebre but me pese otie we yewia ye di nkomo.
Serious as a country. We like this country, we no be serious. Somebody comes to Ghana.
Nhyira
he's a streamer. He's putting Ghana on the global map. He's doing whatever. Then the person comes to Ghana for a day or two, and then you shove the Ghanaian passport into the person's hands. Munye serious, Munye serious. Samuel Okudje to a black one.
Nhyira
had high expectations of. You shove a Ghanaian passport into the hands of somebody who is streaming, who is embarking on his own personal thing. Okay, they're coming to jump on our jollof, coming to jump on our Black Star Square. What has it done to our GDP? What has it added to our economy? Wudimaya has been putting Ghana on the map globally. Have you seen that he's gone to America and the Americans have shown him an American passport? Even Nigeria. Has Nigeria given him a passport? Too much. You've given him a Ghanaian passport. For what achievement? What has he done for Ghana? That he's come to sit on our jollof. And the moment he steps on the jollof and walks away, Ghanaians jump on that jollof and eat from jollof that he sat on. Munye serious. With the greatest of respect, let's put some value on our passport. Let's put some value on this country. So when anybody walks into Ghana, oh, I'm putting Ghana on the map, and every minute we show them Ghanaian passports. Meanwhile, Ghanaians are queuing for passports. Ghanaian citizens born in Ghana, per the dictates of the Constitution, it gives them the rights of citizenship. They are queuing. People are going through the corners. You're saying that you're giving us access into the passport system so that you eliminate ghost names, girl boys. But Ghanaians are still struggling to access common passport. If somebody comes to Ghana, beautiful.
But you see, say a normal take political tone, and answer a dani amanoma akoye to say ye normal be a man yourself. Do a mine any femwa, a ya net hajani. And that is why a hunyasi a kamwasem. In fact, miniti a minia. One thing I realize and I say, Ebiana on sheda and kind bebre about the influence of the digital media, social media, say yabano. In fact, see ayeka say, sa radio ayeka sa suine TV ayeti susu nyina no. Say no e take different tune, take different tune. Baby a airfa no. And there's a radio station, TV station, na woni social media handler. I say be wo saka puma wunwemu no. Ye ewiase no be kwajawo. Ye what the space of digital media. And the traditional way of diplomacy to say nearby ambassador to China ye dina kusiwa so mwana China ehu ya mahodo hu enti Ghana ya sesa ya ambassadors no ebi wo US ebi wo Canada ebi wo China ebi wo miamia bebre. That traditional way say ye dey ton wo man no e dey akira man hodo no saa de no entimi nko kese etwam do ye da so ye but da twam nia baso ene ye ya obia o man bia try say obetumi aye ne say obefa digital technology kwan so no reach out to a lot of people na manfo ehu ne man eno na obia ye this time but me tie na me hu say ase bia onya much knowledge into what social media is right now any day to me because iSHOWSPEED the followers in Kwabro Ghana population omo akodi na chi wo YouTube nkwa over 50 million and that screen is no 50.7 million subscribers ebro Ghana nyina nipa wa Ghana nyina wo it is what the Ghana ho asem ba akoto ho a nipa everychi wo mu ye millions in fact se wo ka Ghana da ubo adwuma kuo ni nyina radio stations e wo Ghana ha nyina TV stations e wo stream live e wo social media se wo ka ye views ni nyina bomu ni wo nyina views a guy we start live stream ba ko a millions of people follow no bro Ghana media live streams ayaka bom. And so he is not just obi a ebeka say wababa ne nam how eti oye den oye hwan and that kinds of words are you be used on him because waton Ghana and that traditional way of diplomacy yemi say ho ahini timi ko ambassador no kotena ho adisika na ye tua ne ka ne ye yi enso country bi wo hokra no a wo mo ntre Ghana nka kra da enso ye ambassador wo. But these are the simple ways I ever sell him as a country. And this guy came in Abema Ghana opportunity. And you be anya Ghana nkwana obae or other African countries. Dr. Osagyefo Kwame Nkrumah. Esther Tisadiwi. See a man crofo womo sebe womo so yemfas womo so womfas wo betumi influence ama Ghana edu pempensu obi ne womo kwan mo betena Ghana ha di dwuma. We kura de oba kwansra. Ene ye fa ne so kura di bro nyaare pa no. Ye nam ni views so ni followers so aton Ghana. Ye kai Dr. William Edward Begat WEB. And he short name friend Du Bois in English and then Dubois in French. Dr. Osagyefo Kwame Nkrumah in the 1960s man kwai mane bai or a Pan-Africanist or American scholar. Or betra Ghana had try we treating say Ghana ni just because of the media and what they are boama Ghana akwachiri. Yentiha the year of return by we create a policy and your publicity said you will no obey okon. See a man for kwai mo wura Ghana almost said be true slave trade be akoka me before I be kra no wo metumi aba Ghana hana Ghana ya ton Ghana mama hodo so na na do dan kwa Kufuado the year of return by Boris Frederick kujo so kai no Boris Kujo Oba in 2019 your man Ghanaian citizenship no na ye dey because onso betumi aton Ghana. Naomi Campbell 2022 Odonso Sa was granted Ghanaian citizenship. Steve Wonder the same way Odonso Sa May 13 2024 year no crowd enche there are people omo eye influencers se udi omachina no omo enantia omo timi ton wiye baby omo du bedru no eso. This guy is having 50.7 million followers subscribers our live stream millions and ehwe eti Ghana you could sika the year of return mamenka wo maame Afriku Catherine Afriku ko bisa no CNN a yekoton say year of return ne keke eko CNN say mo hu dawuru keke emfa maye no we spent over $200,000 sika ye spend ye enya gro CNN documentary as abrom title no CNN and Bigana no you pay over $200,000 abantie ya me charge you o stream ye kwa free ene baby ya duru no bibia aba in diplomacy ya friend soft power ene na ye adwuma o if you don't know soft power ene ye adwuma. When we talk about soft power Black Facebook Nhyira 104.5 also soft power is the ability to influence other nations through persuasion and attraction rather than through force. This influence is rooted in culture, arts, and science. In diplomacy, soft power is cultivated through education, science, public, and digital diplomacy. Digital diplomacy. And then, yet it's one to tell you, man, about. Sa tradition the ambassador kwesian ento man ni ayibia kan na ebinim de asojafo asrafo ne abeto ahye wo so ne agye na say wadane wani na wo beso sa wo man no abeto ahye wo so no na with military sanctions ne ade say we amanhodo behu say wo tumi be na enye no ne de adwuma ene use soft power where ube portray wo culture said your mamre tie said your nuane tie said your kurom tie eno ma wo ho na amanfo ahu amanhodo so na umetumi awura wo man mu abeyi bibi e de aboa and guy yi ba ya wo stream just within 48 hours now over 4.9 million almost 5 million views baby okoda ya waterfall no ho na omo massage no de no ma bi ye apart from share butter center ho no okoye ne hamat share butter village wo okoye no okoye sa obawi sa wo kai no a former Miss Malaika Ghana 2006 model of Africa University nanti bebre kura ne nkaso wo share butter we bi village bi kamasa but through this guy akọ international oshimu keke millions of views buy. Do you know what omani betua just to advertise or to broadcast nation no and no maybe say so we don't just get up na bibia na dia politics na criticize it adaya ya say atemdidie na binum de ye wenti enya atemdidie na asem kra na yeka but when facts are reviewed and no maybe wo ha ye de ho no kra atudwa etwasesa be akoma eni training ton ba fam and it's very necessary. This guy aton Ghana Independence Square no ko gina wunim de kire oton Ghana kai Kwame Nkrumah Ghana fa hodie e de akire biase nyina and the oye no wunim manfo a abuki sa hamat share bata no village no o mabukia till March 16th. If you don't know, few days ya guy ibe remu no hamat share bata village no o mabuki ho up to March 16th. Ebi free other countries o mabuki say hey say ye wo ba bia nkuto yetimi de twetwe nipa e ho ye kama sa manfo abuki up to March 16th just because of this guy. If you are seeing na tinka ani ye ho sa asoman ti bibia ba e na asem a no wo ka say with the maya onya hwe wo ba bia na wako countries akwa with the maya yete ya with the maya ya Burkina Faso enya passport ni kura no Burkina fo okọ ye to etwitwa Burkina me hu se de Burkina fo te omu se de waye no ma Burkina ni mo banyam to na with my followers kra enu sa guy ya wa bai iSHOWSPEED baby a enso okoye bi wo Burkina no ya man Burkina be passport ana asem si a yentu ye bo asen nyanhwehwemu hunu de yewom then we start talking just say because we have to attack then we go and attacking people. This time is an era of soft power and digital diplomacy. So those of you are more attacking and okasa dey added to your GDP no. Last year 2024, Ghana records $4.8 billion in tourism revenue in 2024. And that screen is on. You record $4.8 billion. IMF yankwaje 3 billion. And umdazo train asi. 4.8 billion through tourism akwansra ni party Ghana nkan ye ba mu abehwe hotels amanfo beda ba bia ye wurawura ehun sika wo man ne ye de anya we embusi GDP no. I will excuse say bia wan shada enwurawura mu ye anye federal research as to how we play down on social media and the influence of digital media social media currently no. Na is a won team media na se. Na on team media enoma said the wiase ne ko no nhyɛ da nte ase and omo e ka se na e di nti na se obepa ache wo na sei no Lily Mohammed, you did the right thing because while can say you overstated some of comments I will make you no overstate ye nyina ye adwuma yi asensentro for yetime fom me metimi aka asem bi na atrahye epenifo twema adwene siso a I have to come and apologize. who apologize and chese sabe uye Jimmy for and I say chese unye strong beam. No one is infallible. And you say will be a bit me journalism is not infallible. Oh yes, and trade my bit me I am from Swamity, meet me a Casama Natraco Sipani be a dinatamama, a trash be a that day no, said there are some see me yafane Remy Muno, a be a make be a bear yapa. But I'm betting for Chimagin so. Now me who say no, me cross ya. It just me to be patcho. And today and they won't say, Wako patcho, and I a binomo the insult in the year went to Wako patcho, Nissan ko patcho. Or no one will say, where's Nibu Yusu ya? Sabe, none wedding. And he says, we're overreaching. A Judea Boninum, Lily Mohammed, you did the right thing. Mimitia, Mikasana Broswa, and Pedifortune Maginiswa. I will apologize. Why not? Ye nipa, ye me, you beat me, I am from so. It's why a right thing. And it's a good thing for your career. Because I'm sure for ye me, you beat me, I am from so. Guy no bo buy no, Abua Ghana. See anymore. And a guy non so can send him mammy, every Ghana. Ne mammy, every Ghana. And so, yeah, man, the passport, no. Yeah, man, the passport, no. And just say, and yet, because if I a Ghanaian, dear, near man, the passport were a ye. Send if I a Ghanaian, your man, the passport were a ye. 1992 Constitution of Ghana, Citizen Act 2000, Act 591. HSA, oh, mammy, and now papa. And now one and Nankans will be every Ghana ha. Am I right to say one to me by the citizen of Ghana? It is not in the right, it's not in the wrong direction. Say, Okujeta Blakwa, the Minister for Foreign Affairs, I issue passport and money to Opeja passport in the back of PC, on the stream. So say, hey, this is Ghanaian passport. Ghana is a beautiful country. Only the Bayamae. Just that sport. The millions will be watching. Footballers here before Mukui. Omu nyina de omu kwa ebi wonuma because of omu talent ball no omu body ye nim die nti ukoduru country omu ye serious bia ne ye force so ye be your citizen anko aka kurumu. That is what other countries omu ni abre no omu ye. Ti footballer bi duru obi o ye talented o ye yi bi on person omu tap that thing no man shada man passport ya bia ne citizen kra kope se be ye obetumi e de ne talent ne abua country no. We should be lucky or no confess say ni maami free. E wum say Ghana for bibia ye the passport line near the idea umunya. But this shouldn't warrant say a wrong say that approach was done. In diplomacy, a perfect sign, a strategic. And Okujeta Black, I applaud you for that. Why are they say yes, I did because the guy will be happy. Next time pro per country be okay also be to few ha. On stream or take cars was say, oh, there's light in Ghana. Yet yani yesi dum so Ghana. Emma ba gugu nyina. It you say no take car no so say, oh, there is light in Ghana. Ah wo ka no. You say man for be hu sen kanea wo krom. Ghana bright. To the adwuma e ba the beba. Ai ne ye hu sa. Wa be patcho. Ye mo na baso. Na ye nya de ye won chen no emwa wo man puntu insure 104.5 maybe is here.